Looking to upgrade your keyboard with a set that stands out? The GMK Blue Samurai Keycap set offers a striking alternative to the classic Red Samurai, delivering bold style and lasting durability. If you want a keyboard that commands attention, this deep blue design is exactly what you need. Inspired by General Ii Naomasa, a legendary figure known for his red armor and fierce samurai code, this set flips tradition with a fresh colorway. Instead of red, you get a rich blue base complemented by dark grays and golden accents that add depth and contrast. The golden legends perfectly tie the look together, giving your keyboard a unique, refined finish. Crafted with precision in Germany, these keycaps are made from 1.5 mm double-shot ABS plastic using custom cherry tooling. That means you get exceptional durability and a smooth, sculpted cherry profile that fits Cherry MX switches and popular clones like Kaihua, Halo, and Gateron. The 153-key layout covers both standard and non-standard keyboards, so compatibility won't hold you back. What really sets the GMK Blue Samurai apart is the combination of quality and design. Unlike cheaper knockoffs, this set is built to last, resisting wear and shine through countless hours of use. The double-shot process ensures legends stay crisp and clear, making your keyboard look sharp every day. If you've browsed online and seen cheaper options, remember, those sets often sacrifice craftsmanship and longevity. Investing in the GMK Blue Samurai means supporting skilled designers and German manufacturing standards. It's a choice that pays off in both aesthetics and performance. Whether you're a collector, a gamer, or someone who types all day, this keycap set transforms your keyboard into a statement piece. The tactile feel combined with the eye-catching colors makes every keystroke satisfying and visually rewarding. It's not just a set of keys, it's an upgrade to your entire setup. If you're ready to give your keyboard a bold new identity, the GMK Blue Samurai is worth a look. It's a refined, durable, and compatible keycap set that elevates your typing experience while honoring a timeless warrior spirit. Try it when you're ready to make your keyboard truly stand out.